The Green Micellar system brings together stability, scalability, and simplicity, redefining how the world's cosmetic products are made. Traditional emulsions depend on heat, high-energy mixing, and multiple chemical stabilizers. Complex, time-consuming, and costly to scale. Green Micellar formulations self-assemble at room temperature. A true single-step cold process that eliminates heat, homogenization, and unnecessary complexity. At only 30 nanometers, each micelle remains thermodynamically stable, clear, consistent, and long-lasting, far beyond conventional emulsions. From lab beaker to industrial tank, the same cold process method adapts effortlessly to any production line, ready for global rollout. By removing heating and blending stages, energy use drops by 80%, production time by 60%. Greater efficiency, smaller footprint. With no heating or homogenization steps, formulators can focus on ingredient synergy and product innovation, creating new categories of lightweight, high-performance cosmetics with speed and precision. Green Micellar delivers stability, sustainability, and scalability, a single clean technology transforming cosmetic manufacturing for the future. Micellar Cosmetics, innovation that performs. Naturally,